Hi everyone, welcome back to a wet, miserable Benidorm. Not the weather we were hoping for this Christmas. Was hoping to get some of that nice weather, but yeah, it does look like it's getting less and less of a chance of that happening. To be fair, I think soon we'll be getting the heater out again. Keep the apartment warm. Probably a lot colder in the apartment than it is out here, to be honest. Hotel Villa del Mardo, probably a very nice hotel, but there's no balconies on it. Just like windows. Still, it does look a nice hotel. You've got like a nice sort of cafe area at front there. Looks alright. It's a bit chilly today, but I'm just in shorts and not me Christmas suit gear. So if I come down with a cold, that'll probably be why. The beach today, yeah, it's empty. Oh, a couple, few birds on there, few people further down just having a walk by looks of it. What I want to know is what that circular sticky up thing in the sea is, if you can all see it. I don't know what it is. Does also appear like the jet skis are still out there, so you'd have thought that they ain't one inside, they bring them into harbour or something. Apparently not. Sea's looking rough as hell today. Probably cold and all. Apparently I've got to keep talking even though I don't know what to talk about. Supermarket over there. Next door you've got like a huge sweet and toy shop. Thought it'll be a bit more Christmassy down December. Not really. I suppose many of these apartments here ain't decorated for Christmas, because traditionally Spain don't celebrate Christmas till the 6th of January. I mean, there's probably countries out there who don't celebrate it till later than that, maybe. I really don't know, but I mean, if you do know like of a country that celebrates it later or earlier than not everyone else, comment down below. That'll be quite interesting, that. Maybe as well getting to learn different countries' Christmas traditions.
China celebrate their New Year different Christmas, don't they?
Yeah, well, China's got big on New Year, to be honest. They have tons of big parades and all that, don't they?
Yeah, it's on our New Year, is it?
Yeah, it's, ain't it?
Yeah, they do the New Year. I can't remember when it is now, March, is it somewhere around there?
Oh yeah, I think you're right there.
Drop in the comments if you know what month it is.
Drop down in the comments if you know what month the Chinese celebrate New Year. I mean, I know they have like an animal for pretty much each year, like year of the pig, year of the rat, stuff like that. Which, I mean, that's rather confusing. Harbour back up that way, guys, as well as I'll try park just in the distance. We're heading this way. Pontiente Beach there across the road. Looks pretty busy today. Oh, electric dirt bike just gone past. Quite good them apparently. And of course something you'll see a ton of in Benidorm, I'll hop. Pretty much anywhere you go in Benidorm, there's probably an whole lot not nearby. Yeah, they run on the roof, I think. One on the bottom as. Yeah, they're going festive with the cows this year. Woolly hats on them, scarves on them, making it look nice for Christmas. Few bars down here are of course shut, sadly, probably because the owners are multi-millionaires and can afford to shut for Lord there. Close today. Thought today would be an ideal day for them to open. Like a bit chilly, so people might want a hot chocolate or a coffee or something.
They've all gone, Marcus. That one's shut as well.
I don't know, they've still got seats in there, so...
The one on the front's gone, isn't it?
Yeah, the one down on the fancy seafront, what used to be Western Saloon Bar, gone. Kinda quiet down this end as well. I imagine it could be even quieter down in places such as La Cala. Tons of nice little bars down Pontiente Seafront there, so if you do need a drink when you're out on your walk, you can find somewhere nice to go for a drink. Or of course, supermarket just up the end there. Very cheap. However, they do quite regularly charge, I think it's 20 cents extra if you want a drink out the fridge. Daylight robbery, that ain't it? Anyway guys, coming to the end, so hit that like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.